Alright, I decided that I am going to make some brownies. Some dark chocolate fudge brownies. First thing I'm going to do is heat up the oven. See, what was it say? Was it 350, I think? Yep, 350. There we go. So I'm going to let that oven heat up, and then I'll start mixing things together. So see you in a little bit. Alright, the oven's heated up now, so take a start mixing things together. Look like this over that. Okay, scissors again. I could get it open, but otherwise it would go all over the place if I did it like that. Okay, and then 1/3 cup water. There's the water, and then 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Yep, it's 1/2 cup. There we go. Then 1 large egg. Okay, let's hope I don't make, if I'm able to do this. Woo! There we go. Of course, then just mix it together. I'm not an expert cook or anything. It's just that making brownies is not difficult. Most of you probably already know how to, but just maybe there's people out there who want to watch me make brownies. Okay. I think we've got it stirred up enough. I wonder if I'm able to show how it looks right now. Kind of dark from that angle. Well, that's how it, whoops, looks right now. Now I'm going to get a pan. Spray it first. That's probably more than enough. Way more than enough. I gotta do this the other way around. Try to get as much of it as I can. Gotta get it spread out in the pan. Okay. All right. And bake it on rack in center of oven, following the chart below. 8 by inch. So how long would it be? Bake time about half an hour. Okay, I'll make it so while I open the oven. And it goes. Okay, time. Oops. There, 30 minutes. Do not eat raw batter. Mmm. 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 It already tastes good. There we go. Mmm. Yeah, that was good. But it got much more time left. 27 more minutes yet, so I'm going to take and wash this out and well, talk to you in a little bit when when I pull that out of the oven. When that's ready, I'll talk to you again. I'll resume. Okay, I'm going to take and check it now. Let's see, there's an oven light on it somewhere. So it opens on, it turns on automatically. Okay, let's pull it out. See how it looks. Well, okay, that's how it looks right now. I'm going to take and put it in the fridge, let it cool down, and then I'll put the frosting on later. But into the fridge it goes. Oh, I turn that off. There we go. Okay. I gotta open this up first. All right, now I'll figure this into the fridge before that closes. There we go. And there's the Rice Krispie bars that's left from the other day. All right. Let that cool down and talk to you later. All right, it's actually the next day now. I'm going to take and get the brownies. Get the brownies out of the fridge now, and there's how they are right now. I'm going to put frosting on them. We'll go that way. Creamy dark chocolate fudge. Yummy. Yep. Nice. Looking good. Ah, dang it. Ah. Okay, here it is. With the frosting on it. I'll probably do it like this. There we go. Under the light. That's the finished product. I'm going to put it in the fridge again, and I kind of like having the frosting to harden a little bit instead of being fresh on there. But there we go. Okay, well, thanks for joining me for this video, watching me make an exciting video of baking brownies. But yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.